So I got this really cute dress from Stitch Fix, which I really like, with the camisole, which is super comfortable, but of course us women know no pockets in here as usual, which is fine because we have the solution. We just put our pockets on ourselves, literally. I have my phone over my dress. I have a extra large quarter pocket with the loops I can lace onto the existing belt of the dress. Black on black, you don't see it, doesn't stick out, but it's functionally useful. And if I want to buy a drink or something at the bar, you can have your quarter pocket with your valuable money under your outfit and be able to take it off in 1 second flat and not lose anything ever. I've done this for 12 years. Believe me, it goes nowhere unless you're doing it wrong, putting the teeth above when it needs to go on the pad. You understand? So yes, it works perfect. When you're dance, traveling, going out on the town, enjoy your evening, put your purse down and don't worry about your valuables because your valuables are in a hidden place on your person instead. Just something else to think about, something that works.